snorkeling for the first time. So we are enjoying here our pool time. We just finished our snorkeling and let me tell you guys, I was not expecting this.
Shala.
One last video from here. On this note, it was an amazing trip here. We will definitely come again. Hey guys, welcome to water villa that we're going to stay. I'm super excited to stay here because enta surreal untadi kada manam anni videos lo chustu untam. So I'm going to show you the water villa tour that we're going to stay, and I'm pretty impressed with this room. Enta baundante anta baundi. This is me. Okay.
Happy birthday.
The birthday girl is occupied, so this is as usual storage area anmata. You want me to open and show the same thing, so I don't want to get into much detail. Look at this bed. Paundi kada bed with a view. So view kelle mundu ikkada washroom la gunchi kuda amazing view undi. This is the bathtub which has a water view. This view. Oof. Feels so good. I'm waiting to explore this place more and more, and we will go there from here. Regular setup, all this I don't want to go into much detail. We're going to explore the bathtub here as well because we explored there and it was amazing in the beach villa. Ooh. A pool. Can't wait to explore here. Hi baby girl.
Hi birthday girl.
Looks like something you planned. I could see something.
Oka chinni birthday cake. Happy birthday.
Thank you. So we are heading towards breakfast. So let's go, and we are all set. Mattam ready అయిపోయినా. It's so sunny and hot outside. అది పెట్టుకన్నా పైన ఎట్లా this thing. Yeah. Think you guys should go first. Huh?
Abjam. Barago to samay se pad le.
Huh. Don't wear anything, hats and all here. Just hold it. You are only wearing a. Yes. So just got ready. All the photos and all will be in my Instagram page. Do check it out if you wish to. So I'll show you the view. The morning. These are the water villas. Beautiful island over here. Oof, this view, I tell you, so breathtaking. So breakfast time is from 7 to 10 o'clock. So here my people, Tara is feeling so good in this. What happened? What happened? Hi, Taru. Oh, mother. Tara will get sleep. He walk low. Today, I hope there'll be something for
Hi.
Tara. Hi, good morning.
Gallery, where
Saying there are different villas here, no? So yeah, tell me. This is what garden villa, no? Let me.
These are all garden villas. The rate of the garden villa will be reasonable compared to water villa and beach villas and beach bungalows. So yeah, it starts with garden villa. They have normal rooms also. Normal rooms, I think 15,000 तक आ जाना चाहिए. 15,000, 20,000.
I think it also depends on the season, no?
Yeah,
Season, on
yeah. So the season we have come is actually off season.
So when is the
Season, the main season to when usually people come here to Maldives is approximately November, December till March.
see who will expect?
Yeah.
Because water villa they are allowing because we have a pool in that. So we thought everything would be the same, na? What is the difference? But I think the beach pool villa has doesn't have a security. Like there is no barriers and all for kids. It's not safe if you see. So that's reasonable. That's why we backed off and we booked.
But that was really beautiful.
That was really beautiful, and we can show them. We can add clips. Look at this pretty good. This looks very different. Are the flower? Oh.
From that tree.
If you guys can see me. This and this same. Did they react kada? Bandus.
కన్నా ఈరోజు చూద్దాం బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ ఏముందో అని. సేమేనా?
You're from Hyderabad?
I'm from Lucknow.
I heard someone here is from Hyderabad.
इधर बाहर में एक लड़का है हैदराबाद.
Gunna someone.
हाँ?
Gunna.
रनित.
Oh, okay.
काफी लोग हैं. आप कहाँ हैदराबाद से?
Hyderabad. इंडिया में कहाँ से है? लखनऊ. मिस करते हो फैमिली को? कभी जाते हो?
वो तो है ही है. छुट्टी जाते हैं साल में 1.5 महीने की छुट्टी होती है.
ऑमलेट बड़े स्टाइल में करते हो.
हेलो सर. गुड मॉर्निंग.
మార్నింగ్.
Plate with
No cheese.
और नो चीज.
Und Zwiebeln. Taru? ఎగ్ ఇడ్లీ బాగుంది కదా కన్నా? I like the chutney a lot. We got some French toast, bananas because bananas are too expensive here. This we got for free. and Madam, the birthday girl, having.
Not having, feeding Tara in between some snack.
Oops.
Because I'm hungry.
Oops, wrong word.
Because the girl is not eating.
No vacation for mommies. Only work.
Daddies do vlogging. Chill. Yeah. So chill. Not complaining though. That's Bandos. I think there is some spa happening here. We just finished our breakfast now. Because she's sleeping, that's why we are sitting here. So the plan for the day we are thinking is there is something Malé City tour ఉందంట. సో అది చేయడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం ఫస్ట్. అందులో ఏముంటుంది, ఈజ్ ఇట్ వర్త్ ఆర్ నాట్ అనేది ముందు తెలుసుకుందాం. ఆ తర్వాత వెళ్ళి వి విల్ బుక్ ఇట్. ఓకే, బట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ షూర్. మనం లాస్ట్ మినిట్లో చెప్తున్నాం కాబట్టి మనకి స్లాట్ ఉంటుందో లేదో, బికాస్ దేర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టూరిస్ట్ హియర్. సో లెట్స్ సీ, హోప్ఫుల్లీ మనకి స్లాట్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే,
we have two jacuzzi. Big size warm and small size cold.
Oh, it's
And
outside.
then this side we have steam and sauna also. Yes. Here.
In search of hat. Then why are you going? अरे कहाँ तक जाओगे? कूदना है तो उधर से कूदना है. అంటారు కి ఇప్పుడు గంగాకి వెళ్తే ఏదో ఒకటి వదిలేయాలి అని. అట్లా నువ్వు మాల్దీవ్స్ లో వదిలేసినావా హ్యాట్ ని? Where will you go? Kanna, Kanna. क्या कर रहे हो तारा की तरह? गॉड, तारा जुड़े तो क्या कर रहा है मेरे पापा? क्या ही
only problem here is na the store is very sharp.
Yeah.
So అంటే ఒక ధైర్యం ఉండాలి.
ఇక్కడ జార్
ఇది కూడా లేదు, రెస్ట్ కూడా లేదు.
I think they know swimming.
Zoom check. And they are floating.
They know swimming, bro. Do you know? Where is the hat, by the way?
Hat spoiled. I'm really sorry for that. Okay, na Taru? I don't know what it's called. Can't see that fish, that black.
So I just kept this eye mask and then I'm just putting this inside. My nose is all covered, I can't breathe.
So remember, breathe only through mouth. Breathe in, breathe out only through mouth. Okay, don't do anything, just put your face down.
I'm trying snorkeling for the first time, so let me see how it goes. I want to mainly see how it looks under the sea. Okay, so wow, I can see all the sand and this small
Fishes, small fishes,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
snorkeling, and let me tell you guys, it was so beautiful. I was not expecting that, and initially I was so scared to do that, but then I thought, okay, we came so far, so definitely the first experience should start from Maldives. And yeah, let me show you the view here. Ooh, isn't it amazing? And is it? Let me try.
The time on the day of birthday.
Dinner time.
Yes.
It's not like too cold too.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I was not expecting this.
Chala.
Thanks. I will sit that side.
आपका spelling mistake आएंगे, but it's fine.
I was not expecting this at all.
kada?
Thank you, Ganna. Ara, are you okay today?
So let's tell your viewers also about the different different categories of rooms. We briefly explained it earlier, but as it's the last day, let's tell from the beginning. So
if you plan a trip to Maldives,
visa is on arrival.
Visa is on arrival, yes, one thing. And most important thing is plan at least a month ahead, right?
At least, yes.
Yeah. So that you'll
Better
get,
if you plan 2 to 3 months.
so you might miss on the rooms that you want to have, because in especially Bandus lo okate premium beach pool villa undi. Okay.
That's worth the money. We will put the video down.
Yeah.
We had actually booked it as mentioned earlier, but that was the only reason we booked Bandos. 2 nights we had booked it, but children are not allowed, only adults.
Yeah,
2 people.
also make sure there are some islands for adults only and for the family. So make sure, and the rooms also. Make sure you're reading everything and booking. And now coming to this island, we have many types of rooms, right? Like premium beach pool villa, bungalow, and what else?
I think
Garden villa.
Yeah, garden villas. Normal
And
rooms.
that we are staying that too, obvious is water villa. And one more was supposed to there, right? What is that?
Duplex villas.
Duplex villas, bungalows. There are different types actually.
Morning.
And the staff here is very friendly. Kada? They just gel with you, like, of course that's their job and go, but they greet you every time and they see you. They're so friendly. Okay, we are almost there for our breakfast, and here we have to walk for like 5 minutes walk. Correct? From a water villa to here. But that's worth walking by seeing all this view, greenery. They have a lot of greenery that we was spoken earlier.
Ikkada.
Which way? Straight down.
Ippudu em plan?
Now we'll show your clubhouse, and then we will spend some time in the beach, just for some time, and then we have to check out. We have to pack some food for her. So I'm gonna make some broccoli, and then we have to pack. Oh God, we're gonna have a long day because we have a connecting flight, my dear.
I think we should have one more day.
Oh yeah. Just to relax, now.
Yeah.
But we had enough time here.
But
Still, I don't want to go from here. I want to spend more some time. తిన్నదంతా ఈడనే అరిగిపోతుంది ఈ వాకింగ్లా అంత తినని కూడా తినలే కూడా, బికాజ్ తక్కువ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి మనకి. మనమా ఒకరోజు ఇంగ్లీష్ వచ్చినాం కాబట్టి ఒకరోజు ఇంగ్లీష్ అని తింటాం. తర్వాత నుంచి మనం తినలేం. మన ఫుడ్ మనకి కావాలి. మన ఫుడ్ కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ దొరకదు. సో ఒకటి ఐటమ్ ఉంటుంది, ఇడ్లీయో ఉప్మానో. అది కూడా ఇవాళ పెట్టినారు ఉప్మా, నిన్ను ఇడ్లీ పెట్టినారు. మొన్న అయితే ఏం లేకుండే మనవి, సో వాళ్ళవే తినేసినాం. అదొక ప్రభాస్. ఓ బాగుందా సరే.
yeah, the English people call it bandos. आपको ऐसे उठाना पड़ेगा. बता दो. అది టెన్నిస్ కోర్ట్ అక్కడ. అది టెన్నిస్. ఇక్కడ టేబుల్ టెన్నిస్.
పైన కూడా ఉంది.
We'll look out for
Find the Russian pool.
Hi. Do you have pool here? Pool.
The billiard.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where is it?
Upstairs in the behind the gym. There will be a
Do
game.
you have a elevator
In the games room.
to go to first floor?
Yes.
You have elevator?
No elevator. We have only. Right.
I won't be able to take her, na. So this lady won't be able to come upstairs, huh?
Etkoni.
Probably we have to keep her here and then we have to.
Yeah, someone kept a stroller here and they must have gone up. అలా బ్యాడ్మింటన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ పూల్ అది ఏమంటారా అది చిన్నది ఐ నెవర్ ప్లేడ్
అది ఫుట్బాల్ ఫుట్బాల్
I always watched in the movie.
ఫుట్బాల్ అది
అచ్చా ఇక బాల్ ఉంటుంది ఇక కొట్టాలి అంతే కదా.
ఎస్
డింగ్ 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 తరా డింగ్ 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 డింగ్.
సో ఇక్కడ అది బ్యాడ్మింటన్ కోర్ట్ అనమాట. బ్యాడ్మింటన్ So that was the club house.
Where should we
Right. I forgot to get my snorkeling kit. Need to give it to them.
Where for him them
The dive club.
అరే వాళ్ళని తీసుకోమా నువ్వు
No.
తీసుకోరా.
Then they will put it lost.
We will had a good time but don't want to go home. अरे हमारा वाटर विला के पास से भी नहीं जा सकते थे इधर.
Yeah, we can go.
Guys, so one last video from here. On this note, it was an amazing trip here. We will definitely come again. Amazing, but we'll explore different islands. Ending our trip on this note.